This is an excellent strategic partnership. So Kareem का और PIA का mission is very very similar. We want to simplify lives of people. The idea is कि जो PIA के जितने भी passengers हैं उनकी end-to-end journey, including वो journey जो plane से बाहर होती है, तो घर से airport पहुंचना, airport से घर पहुंचना. So we want to simplify that as well. And we are really looking forward for next phases for this partnership.
You're buying and flying PIA, you will be having Kareem free. They've entered into a partnership to benefits the passengers of PIA and customers of Kareem.
Then let's start it, okay? Then the sky is the limit. So I really appreciate and admire the way you have initiated and triggered this. So I assure you sir full support. And thank you very much for good job done.